Wait till it's not on. Oh, hi. Calling my hair.
Hey, this is my film.
Hey, pushy.
I hate you.
1 moment.
Ooh, hey, ooh.
1 minute. Well, there's life.
Hello.
His name is Max and he's 4 years old.
They're making a movie now.
It's not a movie.
It's film. I'm making a film now. Bish bash bonga. Da! Da 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 da. Da.
Do you want to stop now? Goodbye.
No! It's my film.
Fine.
It's my film.
I'll see you later. Call me. My phone number is. Hey, I'm telling you my phone number. Be quiet. Max, be quiet. Max, stop it. Thank you.
Ta-da then. Woo!
Whoa.
Well, my phone number is 09876 509509. That's my phone number. It's really loud. Ta-da! Oh, and I also forgot something. I'll be back in a minute. I've got a toy mini. Like it's colour, it's red. And look what it can do. Yeah. Hello, my name is Hank. Hello, my name is Hanka.
You have to stop now, Max.
Bye.
Press that red square.